If you've ever wasted hours manually building databases or lead lists, you know the frustration. Web scraping used to be complex, requiring coding skills or expensive software. But what if you could simply tell an AI agent in plain English what data you want, and it's done? Today, I'm showing Thunderbit, the Chrome extension that turns web scraping into a 30-second task. Thunderbit is an AI web scraper that lives right in your Chrome browser, understanding and formatting data effortlessly. With its two-click extraction, you can instantly organize website data into a perfect table. For complex sites, Thunderbit's plain English extraction lets you simply tell the AI what you want. The game changer is subpage scraping, where Thunderbit acts like a digital intern, visiting linked pages to gather specific information. If you value your time, stop manual scraping. Thunderbit is fast, accessible, and incredibly powerful. Install it and try it out yourself. Go see how much time you can save in just 30 seconds.